Hi everyone, welcome to part 28 of the Design Tool tutorial series. Today our main focus will be on how to add duct work to our office model we've been creating over the past few videos. In our past videos looked at how to create grid lines, went on to create walls, create windows, doors, added plumbing fixtures and added plumbing pipes. The most recent video we've done, we added air terminals and placement of equipment. I will mention that we make use of the ceiling concealed unit. So this is our ceiling concealed unit. It's above the ceiling level at the moment, while our air terminal is at the ceiling level. So meanwhile, we are going to be drawing the ductwork. Um, the ductwork usually size based on some settings calculation. So there are codes and standards that governs the various parameters that is used for calculation of this ductwork. So I will advise that you go and get yourself acquainted with the codes and standards that has to do with ductwork. You could check the SCANDA and also ASHRAE. So they are very good uh, internationally recognized codes and standards for duct sizing. So our aim today is just to create and connect. So we are creating duct and we are connecting to various HVAC components. So that is our aim today. So by the end of this tutorial today, you should be able to create duct on AutoCAD MEP and also connect it to various HVAC equipment. So all this while we've been on the HVAC workspace. So make sure you are still on the HVAC workspace while we continue doing this work. So click on the equipment itself. This is link on sheet and hover around this plus sign here. Say add duct. So if you notice the size of this duct here now is 800 by 625. So we are going to reduce it to 650, 650, 650 by 300 by 300. So we'll continue like that to certain length, then we'll reduce the size. So let's reduce for this point, let's reduce it to 400 by 300. 400 by 300, and we are good. Enter. So we've been able to create a duct, that is a supply air duct. If you notice, there are several triangular icons here. So this icon here represents the connection point for the return air duct. Alright, the one we just did for the supply air duct, while these two other rectangular icon represent connection point for the refrigerant, or yes, for the refrigerant. Alright, so let's connect the various air terminals to that is the supply air terminals to the supply duct side. So click on the air terminals, hover around the plus sign there. You could either add a duct or a flexible duct. So let's add a flexible duct. I'll still use the one of add duct and you see the difference. So we're able to add enter. So in the next case, let's add a duct. Add a duct. So you can just connect. Alright. So in this case now we're going to add this duct. Let's click add, enter, add this, then connect. So it automatically snaps to the So this one we're going to take it all the way up a little bit and take it horizontal. So it's not giving us an option. So let's go up a little bit before taking it to continue. Okay, so we're able to connect it. Let's click on this particular unit here and add a flexible duct. Let's add a flexible duct here and move it all the way out to connect. So we've been able to connect all the supply air terminals to the supply air duct of the HVAC equipment. So our trial for today ends here. In the next